Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hear people ask questions like, why was I rejected? Why was my ALX application rejected? Today, I am here to ask and answer questions about ALX programs, ALX courses. But our major focus today is going to be on the VA courses, then little of the other courses on ALX. A lot of people have questions to ask. A lot of people wonder. Some don't even know why their applications were rejected. They don't know why ALX kick them out of after application. You get? So today I'm going to be asking questions and answering those questions myself, so you understand. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, so this information can get to more audience. If you are planning to apply for the ALX course, this is a must watch, so stay tuned. Don't skip this video. So today I'll be taking these questions one after the other. I have them written down, so I'll be reading from here and then answering the questions, so you will know the do's and don'ts on the ALX application. So my number one question is, how long is the program, or what is the program duration? Based on the VA program, because I'm going to be talking more about the VA program, then before I will talk little, I might have questions from other courses, and then I'll take them. But majority of the questions here is for the virtual assistant program. So my first question is, how long is the virtual assistant program? The ALX virtual assistant program is 2 months. Yes, that is 8 weeks. The program is for 2 months. Converting to weeks, that's 8 weeks. So the second question here, it says, how many hours of commitment do I need for the ALX VA program? You need 30 to 40 hours commitment. Yes, let me repeat it. 30 to 40 hours commitment. ALX program is not a program you will just go in and come out. It's intense. It's intense. I repeat, it's very, very intense. So you have to study and then work on your milestone, and let's give you a time range, a time frame where you have to submit your milestone. There's a deadline to all milestone given to you within the week, so you need like 30 to 40 hours to study and then work on your milestone and return it back to them. Number 3 question is, do I pay for the ALX virtual assistant program? Yes, you have to pay. Before now, ALX VA program was free. You don't have to pay a dime. But right now, you have to pay a $5 ALX call it the access fee. This $5 you are going to be paying, you will pay it. Once you pay the $5, you have access to all the courses on the ALX platform. Yes, you have access to their courses ecosystem. It's not just on the VA program alone. You have access to other courses on their platform. So the first question is, can I pay with my country currency? Yes, you can pay with your country currency. In as much as it is in dollars, you can pay your country currency, just like me that is in Nigeria. If I want to take the ALX Virtual Assistant Program or any course on ALX that I have to pay my 5% access fee, I can pay in Naira. Yes, you have an option where you can switch to your country currency and then pay in your country currency. So paying $5, you pay $5, right? So my fifth question is this: how much is $5 in Naira? Because I'm a Nigerian, I'm going to be using Nigeria, right? I'm going to be using Nigeria to convert. So wherever country you find yourself, please convert to your country currency and you know how much you're going to pay. So if you're converting $5 to Naira, you're going to pay about 8,000 plus. But based on the way Naira dollar is fluctuating, there could be an increase, there could be a decrease in price based on when you want to pay and how much is dollar as at that time, right? So we're moving on the 6th questions. What are the other courses that ALX can offer? Right? ALX offer other courses such as data analytics, data science, Salesforce administration, cloud computing, web development, AI career essentials, and so on and so forth. The link of the ALX program on the description below and even on the comment section. So if you want to know more about the courses they offer apart from the VA program, you can go ahead and check it. So my next question here is, can I apply with no knowledge? Yes. This ALX VA program is for those that are already in the tech system and for those that have no knowledge about VA. I think this, in fact, I know that it is not only applied to the VA program, it is applied to all courses on ALX. You can come in as a newbie, you can come in as somebody without prior knowledge. ALX give you a detailed training of any courses they are putting out. They start from the scratch, they teach you like a baby. So it's very easy for you to understand wherever you're coming from, right? So the next question is, what is the age range? What is the age limit, or what is the age range to apply for the ALX VA program? To apply for the ALX VA program, you have to be 18 to 35 years. Yes. And in fact, this is the major reason why a lot of people's applications are being rejected. It's not that it's 40 years, we're going to apply for ALX VA program. So please, if you're applying for the ALX VA program, you should know that your age is not supposed to be more than 35 years. Yes. And you're not supposed to be less than 18 years to apply for the VA program. So my next question on the list is, what does the application consist? Yes, the application process, what does it consist? The application process consists of an assessment of English proficiency, then logics, and then numerical skills. These are the things that this application consists of. Then my next question is, what mode of payment can I use to pay the access fee? That's the $5. Now you can use a lot of payment methods. You can use a credit card, you can use Google Pay, you can use Apple Pay, you can use PayPal, and you can use your mobile money transfer or your mobile money payment method, right? So our next question is, what happens if I drop out of the course or I can't finish the course? Will I get a refund? No, you're not going to get a refund. The $5 access fee is non-refundable. Yeah, it's non-refundable. So if you watched my video to this extent, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so this video can get to more audience. So let's continue. The $5 access fee is non-refundable. And then you can equally pause the course and then start later. But then make sure that later does not get to a point where the course has closed. Because if the course had closed, you have to enroll all over again. That means you have to pay that $5 all over again. And that $5 fee is for a month, please. It's for a month. Let me remind you, it's for a month. Just came to my mind. I said, let me remind you, it's for a month. So if you're taking the VA course, you have to pay this $5 twice. That's $10 in the month. And then the next question on my list is, what's the requirements? You have to be an origin of Africa, yes, an African origin, and then you must know how to speak and write in English language. All right. So the next question on my list is, can I use my phone for the ALX VA program? No, you cannot use your phone. You must have a laptop or a desktop, and then an internet access before you can apply for the ALX VA program. The next question is, can I apply for 2 courses at a time? Because when people have access to this course after paying $5 in a month, they want to, now, they want to apply for several courses. No, you cannot apply. ALX allows you to apply for 1 course at a time. You have to finish with 1 course before you apply to the next course. So these are the questions I feel people have about the ALX program. So if you found value from what I just said now, please subscribe, like, comment. So whenever, and please turn on the notification bell. So whenever I create videos like this where you can get value from, you'll be the first to get notified by YouTube, and then you come and take advantage of the value I'm putting out.